Hello guys, today we are going to see how to apply or remove protection range. Let's suppose if you want to apply protection range to D, E, F and G column, simply select this column and right click. By right click you will see one option here, protected range. Click on this protected range, then set permission. This window will open, and let's suppose if you only want to access this sheet as your owner, then simply keep this option and then done. Otherwise, if you want to share this protection range, that means this protected sheet, protected rows or protected columns can able to access by someone else, then simply click on this drop down and then custom. By clicking on custom you will find add editor. Let's suppose if you want to share this protection range to abc@gmail.com, then simply done, and by clicking on done you will see this sheet is protected. That means this D, E, F and G column will not be able to access by someone else. Okay, let's suppose if you want to remove this protection, then simply click on data, then protected sheets and range, then simply sheet DG. We just set this protection right from D column to G column. Simply click on this and remove. Okay, let's suppose if you want to apply this protection to only this third row, then simply select this third row and right click, then protect range, then set. If you want to share this with someone else, then abc or any mail ID whom you want to share this, gmail.com, and then done. Okay, and let's suppose if you want to remove this protection, then simply click on data, then protect sheet and range, and simply click on this and then remove. Done guys. I hope you enjoy this guys. Thank you so much.